What do you think is the worst anime fandom?
No, this isn't happening!
There's no wrong answers.
Okay.
There's no reason for me to go on.
I'll just say it's My Hero.
I would go with Dragon Ball Z, My Hero Academia.
My Hero's
What's your reasoning for it, I guess?
What am I fighting for?
I don't think. I think it's because TikTok. TikTok just made it so bad, and then when the movie comes out in theaters, you've seen all the videos of that. And it's just the cringiest thing ever.
My favorite anime, that's a tough one.
What do you think is the worst anime fandom?
Oh, I don't want to piss off anyone.
It's okay, there's no wrong answers.
I have to answer, don't I? Okay, I like this anime, but maybe Naruto?
I really like Naruto.
Like Naruto, like everyone loves Naruto, and I love Naruto, but like, just like a lot of people, they talk a lot about like soccer and I don't hate Naruto fans. I love Naruto fans. I'm a Naruto fan. Just but like if I had to name one, but I think personally speaking, all anime fans are nice and stuff. So yeah, don't kill me.
I mean, you can like the anime, but you can just think that the fandom is kind of, bad.
Toxic. It's a little bit toxic.
Okay.
A little bit.
I like when people enjoy seeing Kakashi and everything. They get all excited and stuff. So it makes me love cosplaying.
What do you think is the worst anime fandom?
Furries.
K-On!
Genshin?
Probably Genshin. Yeah, Genshin.
That's absolutely true.
Apologize.
No, there's no apologizing here.
Dream it. Dream it. Dream it.
Make it.
Make it.
Make it.
Become it.
Become it.
Become it.